Good morning students, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today assignment for class 8, topic friction. First question. Take a glass of water and stir it. After some time, water comes to rest. Which force is responsible for stopping the rotation of the water? Take one glass beaker filled with water and stir it continuously for few seconds. After that, the water comes to rest because the frictional force acting is in between the water layers and the surface of the glass. The frictional force acting in between these two substances, then water comes to rest after few seconds. Second question, what is fluid friction and give examples of fluid? Fluid friction means the frictional force offered by a gas or a liquid when an object moves through them we call fluid friction. Fluids means we consider gases and liquids. The fluid friction we consider as a viscous force and drag. The best example for gases are air, oxygen and carbon dioxide gas. And the best example for liquids are water, oil and honey. Next, question number 3. Draw a diagram to show the water rills around an axis in the glass tumbler. All of you draw the diagram in this manner. First you draw one glass tumbler. Fill the water up to here. Take one spoon here. The water rills around an axis of rotation in this manner. Question number 4. What are the factors? What are the factors that influence the fluid friction? The factors are the speed of the object, with respect to the fluid. Means if you consider a vehicle is moving very fast, then the frictional force or the fluid friction acting on the vehicle is more. But if the vehicle moves slowly, then the frictional force or the fluid friction acting on the vehicle we observe less. Second point, shape of the object. Shape of the object. If you consider the shape of the objects are streamlined, then the frictional force acting on the object by the fluids we observe less. Third point, nature of the fluid. Nature of the fluid means if you consider the thickness of the fluid is more, then the frictional or the fluid friction acting on the object is more, then if the thickness of the fluid is less, then fluid friction acting on an object is less. Take two glasses or beakers. One beaker is filled with honey. One beaker is filled with honey. Other beaker is filled with water. Take two coins and drop here. But in first beaker, that is beaker 1 and beaker 2, here beaker 1, the coin moves very slowly. Why? Because the thickness of honey is more, then the frictional force acting on the coin is more. Then the motion of the coin inside the honey we observe very less. In case of second one, beaker is filled with water, then the thickness of the water is less. Once you drop the coin is moves very fast because the thickness of the water is less, then frictional force acting on the coin by the water surface or the water is less. Question number 5. Observe the following diagrams and describe why the shape of the birds, fishes and aeroplanes or in the vehicles and all the vehicles are streamlined. See here two diagrams are there. One is bird, next one is aeroplane. When an object moves through the fluid, the frictional force acting on them, that is fluid friction acting on them, to minimize the frictional force or to overcome the frictional force, the shape of the objects is a special shape that are called as a streamlined. Streamlined means the vehicles or an object, the front portion we observe the narrow part. This is about today's assignment. Thank you, friends.